What is this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What a nice connection! Wow!
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
I love it!
Stick it together. Yeah.
Oh boy!
Boom. Oh, I want a big wood mallet like that. That looks awesome.
Look at the shape, look at them.
This is every woodsman's dream, every craftsman's dream is nice connections.
They just...
Ooh. It looks like a puzzle.
Yeah, I think
It's so sophisticated.
it's some puzzle, right? Oh, ooh. The chair on the top.
Yeah, the cherry on top, that was cool. And they didn't really need that much of the cherry, I guess.
I love this all wooden connection and how beautiful and how smart it is.
Yeah. Teak oil.
Somebody came out with this idea.
Yeah. Good thing it wasn't me, because it wouldn't be nearly as nice looking. Okay, we got... Ooh.
What is this? It's it looks like
Maybe a base for a
Christmas tree.
for a Christmas tree. It could be, yeah.
Yeah, if you make a holder,
Yeah.
why not?
I want to see what these things are used for afterwards.
They just show us the technique, I guess.
Yeah. And I guess that's enough for some people. But not us.
we
have to
don't have
speculate.
an imagination, you
No.
know?
No. We need you to tell us what to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do the hell.
So this looks like a frame of some sort, maybe for a greenhouse.
Some connection could be for the table or
Yes.
something, you know, the perfect wooden table. Without any needle there.
Exactly.
Nails and...
No need for nails, no need for metal. It's all wood. All wood, baby.
Wood. Wow.
All right, and it looks strong. Strong connection. Thank you for telling us.
Yeah.
That helps. I was confused. I thought it was a medium connection.
Can you...
Can you please? Yeah, can you...
Medium rare
The
connection.
editor's like, I think they won't know it's strong. Ooh, nice. I want a like really nice box with just those edges. It looks so good. I don't know what I would put in the box, but I just want it.
Some people came to you and you're like, look at this connection which I have.
Yeah, look at this connection box. They're like, okay, please leave us alone. We're trying to have a picnic with our family. Those
Go
people-
with me. I show you connections.
I'll show you connections. They're like, okay, we're calling the police now.
Yeah.
Okay, more. Ooh, I really like these rolling ones. They're good.
Wow. Let's go to the circle.
Yeah! It wasn't perfect,
Wow.
but yeah, it looks good. And more. And more. More, 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 more!
Wow. You should be so precise with every piece.
It's like a complex game of Jenga. Ooh,
Wow.
looks like we're making something out of this one. I don't know if it's going to be a connection. Oh,
Some
that looks
tree.
so cool.
Yeah. Wow. What is this for? It's just...
Ah,
no. I thought it's a pot, but no, with such a hose.
I don't know. Maybe...
Uh,
Oh, maybe a lamp.
maybe a lamp. Right. Oh, wow.
His wife is not happy.
Yeah.
That was expensive Chanel lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're doing some wood cutting. That is actually a lot harder than it looks.
Way harder.
It's way harder than it looks.
Yeah.
That wood is super hard. Okay, so now we're drilling in the middle of the wood.
We already.
Ow!
experts.
Okay, buy me dinner first, please. And then
Okay. What is it?
it looks like
Is
it's
it
gonna be
kind
like a little instrument, like a type thing, you know?
of- yeah, I know, but it doesn't look so at all. I mean,
You just aren't musical.
sorry, me.
Yeah. All right, so it's probably not gonna be.
Just imagine now somehow they flipped it over and
Yeah, and it's a flute. That would be amazing. All right.
Okay. I think it's no. I have no idea what it could be. It's
Ooh.
like a DIY lipstick thing.
Ah, it's for the lipstick. Okay, wifey will not be upset with us. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, this looks complicated. This is a complicated procedure. How many steps are there to a lipstick thing? We get some rose petals.
It's good for requirement, I guess.
Not too bad, yeah. For a Valentine's Day present, if you're a craftsman, that's it. That's
Yeah.
the one.
I think she'll appreciate it.
She will.
Or
Or
he.
maybe not. Or he. Or not. They might not.
I think yes, I would appreciate it.
Okay. Rose powder. Honey-
Is
ooh.
it the charcoals?
Yeah, they're burning some charcoal. Melting it all together and making the nice waxy finish. The waxy pad finish.
I think it's not the wax. It's lips.
Well, yeah, it's lipstick, but I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, it looks like wax anyway.
Okay.
Nice. It looks pretty legit.
Oh my gosh.
I would be, yeah, that looks pretty impressive, actually.
Yeah, wow, fully.
I would just put the Gucci stamp on it. Look, I got you this Gucci lipstick, babe.
I think there is such a thing.
There probably is,
Gucci, yeah.
I don't know. Gucci has everything.
Oh.
Everything that I'll never have.
Me neither. But it looks expensive.
It does look expensive.
Yeah.
UV
But
epoxy.
some bunch of work.
It's a lot of work.
Why it's expensive.
You have to really love your partner for this. You love your partner enough. This is a test of your love.
What are you doing?
Would you do it for your partner? Do it now if you love your partner.
No.
Like this video.
It was too much.
Yeah, it was too much. And it's a nice little cap. Okay. Yay! Lipstick. Cool. Okay.
Okay, it's a wood.
We got some pallets here. Oh, we're gonna do pallet crafts. Fun.
Okay, I love pallet. It's actually, I know, I saw many videos about pallets, and there was one of the videos where they made a pool out of
pool out of pallets. A pallet pool.
Awesome.
A pallet. Okay, I've seen a lot of furniture like just out and about made out of pallets. It's the cheapest way that you can make cool like beach furniture and stuff. So I think I'm looking forward to what this guy's going to make right now.
Let's see.
So far, it looks like he's just made a smaller pallet. Okay. Where are you going with this, buddy? We got some hinges.
Well, I'm confused.
Is it gonna be a door or like a gate?
It's a gate for what?
I don't
know. But it does.
He's gonna do it again? See, look, it's some kind of door.
But
it's a door to Narnia. I don't know. It's
maybe closet.
Maybe I don't know, a treehouse.
But why he doing this in a home?
Oh, it does look like a closet, or maybe a shoe rack.
Oh, that could be.
It could be a shoe rack because it's a little thin to be a closet.
True.
Okay, what are we doing?
Painting.
Staining it. Okay.
Oh,
that didn't look like it spread too well at first. That looks good. Yeah.
I think you were right.
On the shoe rack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoe rack.
Acrylic.
I guess.
Bad bar.
Oh, it's a bar.
Nice. Ooh, that's fancy.
Okay. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay.
Okay, another thing.
More pallets. Give us all the pallets.
That's destroying them. The action the same, right?
Exactly. And pallets aren't too expensive, are they? I think they're reasonably priced.
I don't know. I thought they for free.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you find them in the right place and no one's looking them.
No. Of course you should buy them.
Of course, buy them. Yes.
Yeah, they cost them. Some people made them.
Yes.
You know,
exactly.
To use them on purpose. For using on purpose, buy them.
Guys, if you have any ideas for pallet hacks, let us know.
Yeah.
Right now we're on furniture and that's it. And barns and pools.
Oh, it's for pots.
Oh, it's a little garden. Nice. That's pretty cool. I feel like you could get some more interesting plants, but okay. Do what you do, man.
Maybe they will grow up to something beautiful.
Yeah, that's cool. They're all different herbs. It's an herb garden. Okay.
Well.
Ooh. I like how clean that is. Parsley. Dabbity dab dab.
I was satisfied with
Yeah, this is very satisfying. Sorry guys, if you if you wanted our commentary, you probably don't, but it's all good. At this point, it's all right. We know. Okay, we got more pallets. Okay, what are we gonna? We're stacking 2 pallets together. We're drilling them together. Okay.
Okay.
So right now, I'm thinking
it will be a sofa.
Trampoline.
Trampoline.
Probably a sofa though.
Trampoline for what?
I don't know. It looks like
I like the way how you think.
A rocket ship.
Okay. Okay.
I think you're absolutely right with the sofa idea.
Yeah. We'll see. Oh.
Ooh, a rolling sofa. I'm beginning to doubt whether it's a sofa now.
Yeah. It's for children.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm confused.
No.
Because you don't want your sofa to roll around too much. And if it's made of wood, it's going to scratch everything.
Oh, no.
I feel like you should have put that on before when you were painting.
No.
Yeah, it's
the fabric for the
sofa.
Yeah, for the sofa.
Okay.
Definitely.
I feel like he's going to put a different spin on it, though. I'm expecting
yeah.
more from him. He's the pallet king.
Okay, we'll see.
Wrap that like a
It
present.
would be too easy to leave it like so, right?
Oh,
he left it.
He left it like that. Give us more!
More reactions.
Right now!